Hello, welcome to the product demo part 2 of CostSage, your smart cloud cost optimizer. In this video, we are going to tell you that how to use CostSage and save up to 65% on your monthly cloud bills. So let's begin. Log into your account with your details, and once you move to the dashboard, you will see 4 major tabs on your left hand side. The first tab is about savings. In the top section of savings, you will see the first thing, that is total estimated savings. That CostSage is telling you that your cloud services needs to be optimized and you can save this amount of money. The second is the total cost, the cost that you are currently spending on your cloud services. The third is the actual savings, the money that you have already saved with the help of CostSage. In the bottom table, you can see all currently running services in your cloud instance, and out of those, the top cost drivers you can see at your right hand side. Now let's move to the second tab, which is AI recommendations. This tab is showing you all the recommendations to optimize your cloud. You click on an instance and check the current cost, recommendation, and total estimated savings for that specific instance. You just need to click approve and a step-by-step guide will appear. And then you just need to click apply to execute. Once you click on apply, you will be moved to your cloud dashboard where you can see the template and the canvas flow, and then scroll down for the acknowledgement and click on create stack. Once you do that, the execution will be in progress and you can see the details right there. Once the recommendation process is completed, it will be moved automatically to the third tab, which is action execution. You can see all the details here, and in case of any risk and mitigation, you simply need to click on rollback action. Once you click on it, it will take you to your cloud dashboard again, where you will see all the details again, and you simply need to do the acknowledgement at the end of the page and click on create stack. Once you do that, the rollback step will be executed again. Now it's in progress, and after a few minutes, in action execution tab, you can see the rollback step is completed successfully. Now in the last tab of reports, you can see the comprehensive view of your spending on your cloud services. And along with that, you can also see the saving analysis, that's still how much you can save on each of your cloud service. In the last, you can see at the bottom left corner the billing tab where you can insert your billing details. Along with that, the settings tab where you can see your account details and enable the two-factor authentication there. That's all from the product demo. We hope CostSage will bring down your cloud cost in no time. Thank you so much.